What do you think of these? You like them?
I have the original ones.
Yeah, so do I. They're dope.
Yeah, I love the comfort of them are amazing. I love the style too.
Yeah.
This is the reflective, yeah?
Is it?
That's
Did they have a reflective version?
Yeah, the reflective ones, and then now they came, I think they're re-releasing the non-reflective ones.
Well, I just learned that.
Yeah.
You got a YouTube channel?
Yes, sir.
What you be doing?
I've come to a realization. I don't wear my helmet. It's not good. I spend a lot of money on it. I never wear it. I just forget. It's not like I don't think safety is important. Safety is extremely, extremely important. I just forget to wear it. I left the house, was halfway to where I'm going, and realized I don't have my helmet. Again. Hey Ari.
Hey, Tom's subscribers. Wait, I should address them like they're one person. Hi Guy, welcome back.
I brought my boosted board with me, obviously. Ari doesn't have a boosted board, Ari doesn't have a bike. We were originally gonna rent a city bike, but
why not just buy one instead?
This is actually a bike repair shop. They do not sell bikes. We don't need our bike repaired. We just... You know, if you just bought a bike, you wouldn't have to pay to rent a bike every time you needed a bike.
I only need a bike once.
He only needs a bike once.
Got it?
We're good to go. All right, now I'm ready to go anywhere.
Okay, go. Lead the way.
See, city bikes are great. They're just objectively not as fast as boosted boards. So we're gonna let Ari set the pace so we don't lose him.
Hurry up! God damn it!
How are the legs feeling?
Not bad.
See, another advantage to having a boosted board is that this takes literally no physical exertion from me. Meanwhile, Ari's been biking the last 4 miles uphill and downhill and across potholes. This is just infinitely easier. We are in Flushing, Queens. Here's the situation. By popular demand, and I mean very popular demand, I had a whole bunch of you guys ask me, I decided to go to Flushing, Queens this morning to go to, if you see like right behind me there's a big Nike swoosh, right? There's a Nike swoosh over there. So this is one of the really cool Nike stores where everything is cut off the tops and it's like insane prices. Everything is $30, $40, $58. Like the prices are amazing here. Now the trick is to just find some shoes that are amazing. Because right now I'm not seeing that much. Honestly, right now this is probably the best pair of shoes. I'm seeing some Roshi Run Calypsos. They're only $40, but that's still not like the best price. And then there's also some, I think this was what, a Jordan Tinker 13 original design. These are $85. So I mean the price is okay, but it's like not anything amazing. These ones aren't bad. Some Element React 55s, nice little gray and green and white colorway. They are like 75 minus 20%, so 60 something dollars, maybe $59. Once again, like not bad. These are interesting, some Pippins. I like the shoe. I hate the color. I don't know how much these are. These ones are, yeah, $80 minus 20%, so $66, $64. As of right now, I think this is the best pair of shoes that we have in here. This pair of Air Maxes. This is a beautiful colorway. It's a size 13, which is probably why none of the resellers have scooped it up so far. I dig these. I need a size 12. Not gonna wear a 13, but this is a beautiful pair of shoes and it's only like $68 after the discount. Hello, look what we have here. Oh my goodness, I think I finally found a good pair of shoes. Check these out, the LeBron 17 AirTech Challenge 2 Hot Lava colorway. So this is designed after the AirTech Challenge 2. It's the exact same colorway as the classic Andre Agassi tennis shoe, except it's a pair of LeBrons instead. This is a size 11, so once again, not gonna fit me, but this is, I think, probably the best pair of shoes that I've seen in here. That is one of the craziest things I've ever seen in my life. Like, those people have it down to a pat. They're obviously there every single day. I don't know how they do it. I mean, like, as soon as I walked in, there was people just grabbing shoes left and right. I don't know how you look that quick. And also they were grabbing stuff that, like, doesn't really look like an obvious resale shoe, like random Nike running shoes and just random Air Maxes and just random pairs of shoes that I would just look over. They were like picking up every single size they could find and they're like, hoo, 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 hoo. It was impressive. Needless to say, I did not buy anything. I saw one kid had a pair of Jordan 1s, except they were like a size 18, and those were cool. The shoes we looked at were pretty much the best ones that I saw. Was it worth a 45-minute train ride? No. A little bit of a change of pace. We are now back in Soho. I am Stadium Goods is, we're going to Stadium Goods. I want to see if they have a pair of shoes. See, the tricky thing with Stadium Goods is lots of times they have very reasonable prices listed on their website, but that is a online exclusive price. Then you go into the store and either they don't have the shoe, don't have the size, or it's 35% more expensive, which is unfortunate. But assuming the online prices are semi-accurate, I think I'm gonna be getting a pair of shoes here. Okay, they have them, actually a better price than the website. I don't know if someone brought in a pair within the last hour and a half, but it's a pretty reasonable price. A little bit expensive, I mean more expensive than getting them in StockX, except you're paying for getting them right now. I'm just gonna tell you guys now, because you've already seen the thumbnail, it's the new Yeezy 380s. I don't know what they're called. I mean, I know what they're called by the time I titled this video, but as of right now, I don't know what they're called. Okay, it started pouring rain outside. Some dude yelled at us that we're not allowed to use an umbrella, so we are underneath the Macy's awning. The shoebox got soaked already, which is a little bit unfortunate, but it'll dry out. This is the second pair of the Yeezy 380s that has ever released. The first pair was the Yeezy 380 Aliens, which I love, and I bought, and I don't know if I still have a pair of them. I buy way too many shoes. Those came out in November, and then we never really heard anything about the model until all of a sudden, pretty much out of nowhere, 4 or 5 days before these came out, Yeezy Supply was like, oh, hey, another pair of these. And it was a Yeezy Supply online exclusive. I was outside filming a Supreme release, and I didn't know that these came out. So I had to pay way too much. I paid $600 for these. Yes, I'm aware they go for $450 on StockX, except I wanted to get them right now so I can share them with you on video. These look nothing like they do in pictures, like absolutely nothing like they do in pictures. It's way darker. In pictures, especially the ones on StockX, I thought all of this dark gray was a blue. It is not. It is all gray. It's like a stone gray. This tan is a very, very different color. It's almost like a caramel or like a mocha color. Like this looks like the color of if you put 7 creams into a coffee, it would probably look a little bit like that. These are so freaking comfortable. These ones aren't my size, which is a little bit unfortunate, but I would 100% be wearing these all over the place if they were my size. My Aliens are back at home in Winnipeg, which is why I'm not rocking those here, but they're by far the most comfortable Yeezy. There's just like so much boost in them, and it's squishy, and it's amazing, and I absolutely love how these, like, look at the bottom. There's just so much boost, and you can see it through the midsole, and there's just boost and prime knit and amazingness. I really like this colorway. Now, I don't know which one I like better between these and the Aliens, just because this one seems a little bit more wearable, and also it's darker colors, so it's not gonna get dirty as quickly. With the white and gray prime knit on the Aliens, it gets dirty pretty quick. Were you guys able to pick these up from Yeezy Supply? I think the reality and the truth behind this is that they were probably a little bit more limited than we think, and throughout time, throughout the next few months, I can see the price going up on these. I would go true to size, or if you have to, go a half size up. Wish they had stuff like this at the Nike clearance store this morning. I mean, I know this is Adidas, but hey, if these are at the Nike clearance store, I wouldn't be complaining. I don't know what else to say about these, but that's pretty much my thoughts. Let me know what you think of these. Let me know if you picked them up. And out of 17, actually no, out of 17 and a half, rate these on a scale of 1 to 8. Well, that guy who watches my videos just told me that this is the reflective version, and apparently there's a non-reflective version. Just listen to nothing I say. I don't know what I'm talking about. Do you like these?
They're okay.